So let's go next to the audio. So you have sound, you have copyright, effect, extracted again, and voiceover. We've covered voice over and extracted. Let's go to sounds. Inside this is a new feature. We now have sales audio. So inside CapCut you can get different audio that will fit different reasons. When you need like you're making like a review, you need a hip-hop sound, you can do pop beat. Now we have sale, we look at what that sounds like, vlogs, travel, R&B. So there are actually like different types of sounds. You don't need to download the different music you can get from here. So let's look at sale. So let's listen to one or two sounds from here. So I have to download this. Customer not go buy market with this sound. Come and buy pots, blender, pot. Please let's go back. This is so copyright is for you to check if the music you're using has copyright claim. So they will check, like do a run, so that Instagram or TikTok will not take down your video for copyright. They will check. After checking, they'll tell you if there's any copyright infringement or anything in your video that will give you issues with Instagram or any other social media platform. So it runs very, very fast. So in like 5 to 3 seconds, we will be done. This video can be posted on TikTok. So we have effects. So what this effect does is that you can add different kind of sound, like people laughing, people clapping. Let's look at performance. Victory, cheering. Let's look at cheering. Different kind of sound in the background. Let's look at sale, because I like sales. Cartoon, like. So this is like a heartbeat. So that's for effect. So let's go out of sound. Let's go to overlay. Now overlay is what I talked about, adding something. You can use overlay to add a video or inside this video, or a picture on top of this picture. So let's go and look at it. Let's add this video. Give it a little bit. So I can make this smaller and push it up. So and play it. Now you see this video will be playing on top of this video. That is what is overlay. That is how you do that. You can do anything with that. So let's remove it and overlay a picture. So I'll go back. So okay, it's removing the shrinking of the image and all of that. So overlay. Let's go back. Let's go to effects. You have video effect, body effects, photo effects. So this is just to put a little bit, will I say design, like Merry Christmas or shaking, or so you get that effect. See this effect. This one would work. Are you seeing that effect? So there are so many effects you can do here. Let's go back. So you have, that was video effect. Body effect is for like the person's body. Let's say you were standing, you can do a video where your background is shaking, or light is shining, or your hand, something is going around your hand or your body, and it works. So we can, let me try hand. Let's see, since this hand is showing, if it works. It works when your full body is showing. So it might not work because this is zoomed in video, but for a fuller video it would work. So let's go back. Let's remove that effect. So for photo effects, that is when you are editing a photo. Let's go back. Let's go to ratio. Now I usually shoot sometimes for YouTube, and automatically I can come here. No, this is not it. Let's go to ratio. So automatically I can shoot for YouTube, come into CapCut and automatically edit it to fit for Instagram or TikTok. So let's say if this was a YouTube video that was square, I would come and click this and it will resize it automatically for me. Or I can click for YouTube now. Now there is black line here, because this is how the YouTube video is supposed to be. So I can just zoom it. Let's just zoom in. So now I have a YouTube, something that can fit the YouTube frame. So this is very wonderful for shooting once and having multiple. This saves me a lot of productive time. I will shoot once and have multiple content for different platforms. So let's go back. So the next one is filter. You know what filter is? Okay, this is glitching a bit. Let's go back. Let's go back again. Okay, you know what filter is? It's just like putting different modes to your image, like color correcting them. So let's remove the filter. Let's remove the filter. Let's go back. Adjusting is where this is a detail. This is in an advanced class. We'll enter this one. This is where you can completely change your videos, change brightness, contrast, exposure. This is well did. Like, let's say you are shooting from a professional camera. This gives you ability to control a lot in your video. So let's go back. We won't enter this part of the video. Let's go back. Let's go to stickers. Now with stickers, I can put a lot of things on my video, smileys, basically just like emojis rather on my video. Also, for example, follow button, subscribe, and all of that. Whatever you can think of, you get it here in stickers, notification bell, so many things. It's just a whole gallery for emojis and more. So let's go back. So canvas, for example, canvas is when the YouTube video decide where it was blank. If I don't want to zoom in, I can use canvas to add a background by the side. Or if I was doing a YouTube video and the up, it became longer, and instead of the white side, if you're watching Instagram, you see sometimes a video has white up and white down. You use canvas to add that. So we did not touch on text. Let's touch a little bit on text. So now you can add text, which is a write-up, like this write-up. You can add sticker from here, that is like emoji. Another lovely thing I want to talk, and we used to round up this video, is auto caption. So you click on auto caption, you can automatically put caption throughout this video. So now I'm going to click on, you can use any of these fonts. Let's click on this one, and you can either take from the voice or from the video. So I'll click it on all. Let's take from the video, because of we have my voice over here, so it will not confuse the AI. Click on start. So it's going to use like 5 seconds to automatically write everything the person is saying. If you've been wondering how they do it, this is how they do it. So in like 99, give it a few more seconds, like 2 seconds, everything this person is saying is going to be written on the screen. So now look at the captions. So even this video this person posted, you can see this is how he used to do it. So I can change the way the font is to the design of the captions to anything I want by changing the text template. If it's a song, you can automatically generate the lyrics of that song written out in your video like this while the person is saying. Let us look at exporting. So to export this video, you're done editing, you want to send out this video from your gallery, this is what you're going to do. If I wanted to increase the quality, I'm going to come and increase the resolution to 4K. Then I'm going to come and increase frame rate to 60 when I'm doing 4K. Then code rate, I'm going to increase it to high. I'm going to leave it as Smart HDR, and I'm going to export it, and the picture quality is going to be more lovely. Thank you for joining this class. See you soon.